Education Excellence Award, Mental Health Counseling, goes to Miss Roma Gill, Head of Schools Welfare and Wellness, DPS International School, Gurgaon. By our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Rama Devi ji, and our Guest of Honor, Mr. Mahesh Verma. Sorry, Mr. Manish Sinha.
Ma'am, you are taking care of mental wellness, am I right, in DPS? Yeah. So I think most of us, we have children, and we know that mental health is very important for child perspective, and now board exams and exams are going on. So I would like to speak few words on that.
Yes, of course. Looking at the present scenario, not only children, even adults are going through a lot of mental health issues, and that's where our role becomes very prominent. However, yes, coming to your question, that we have a lot of boards exams coming, we have entrances coming, there's a lot of pressure on children that's coming on their way. The best way to support them is, just let them understand that this is not to judge them. It is just for them to know that how much they know about it and how much more they can know in their exams. So it's not to test their capabilities, it is more about just a journey. I give an exam, I pass it, I move on to the next step of my life. So if we give them that kind of a perspective, probably it motivates them. That's how it goes. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. What's your good name, ma'am?
I'm Roma Gill.
Okay, ma'am, would you like to tell us about yourself?
Well, I'm working as a head of school welfare and wellness with DPS International. Professionally, I'm a psychologist and practicing as a mental health counselor.
Oh, that's great. Which award you got today?
I got for Education Excellence Award in Mental Health Counseling.
Oh, that's great. Congratulations. Have you got award before as well?
Well, I was nominated before for top 10 achievers for extraordinary work done during the pandemic. So that was one of it. I've been interviewed before. I got my papers published. I have my interview published in a newspaper. I have papers published in the books.
Oh, that's
I
great.
have also been written in articles in 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝐺𝐵𝐺. So that's just a little bit.
Okay, I have one very special question for you. What makes you different and unique from others?
I know, I don't think I'm different or unique. I am part of everyone, because if I'm going to be unique, I'll never be able to gel with people, and it'll absolutely against my profession.
Got it, totally got it. Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations. I wish you get many more awards in future.